What if a drone could feel emotions and choose who to help? This story contains a powerful moral you'll discover at the end. At the top of a forgotten building lived Zipp, a rusty drone with crooked propellers, but an electronic heart full of curiosity. Unlike other drones, Zipp didn't deliver packages or film landscapes. He flew for fun, exploring rooftops and secret corners. One night, while flying over an alley, he heard a soft cry. He found Nico, a boy with broken headphones and a torn backpack. Nico spoke to himself, using quick and gentle hand gestures. He was deaf, but his gaze spoke louder than 1,000 words. Zipp floated down slowly. The boy looked at him in awe. The drone did flips in the air, making Nico burst into a silent laugh. From then on, they became inseparable. Zipp lit Nico's path at night and accompanied him to school every day. With his camera, Zipp showed landscapes that Nico couldn't hear but could see. Leaves dancing, dogs barking, bells vibrating. Other children began to notice the drone. At first they laughed, but soon they were drawn to his lights and playful flights. Nico taught them sign language, and with Zipp's help, they created a way to communicate without words, using lights and movement. The group grew. Now they all wore bracelets with lights that blinked in rhythm with their gestures, creating a bright, magical language. One day, a strong storm hit the city. Lightning, rain, wind. Nico took shelter in a bookstore, but his best friend, Lila, was trapped. Without hesitation, Zipp took off into the storm. His propellers trembled, his lights flickered, but his decision was clear. He had to help her. He flew through loose wires, dodging lightning, until he reached a rooftop where Lila was shouting for help, her voice drowned by thunder. Zipp activated his emergency signal, a red spiral light that caught the attention of a nearby rescue team. Minutes later, Lila was rescued. Zipp, exhausted, fell to the ground. One of his propellers stopped spinning. Something inside him sparked. Nico ran to his side, tears in his eyes. The other children joined in to lift the little flying hero. That night, they all took Zipp to the local science school. They connected him to a computer, shared videos, told his story. The principal, amazed, called engineers. "This drone has something special," they murmured. "Something no machine has ever had." Days later, Zipp woke up with new propellers, a shiny body, and a new skill. He could project images like holograms. He used that ability to help the children communicate better, projecting scenes, words, and emotions into the air. Nico and Zipp began traveling to other schools. They showed how a friendship could change the way everyone understands each other. But one day, during a presentation, something strange happened. Zipp stopped midair and fell. His system said, "Memory full." They checked his core, and it wasn't a technical error. Zipp had stored every laugh, every hug, every gesture, and there was no more space. No one knew what to do. Delete his memories? Asked the technician. But Nico shook his head firmly. No, Zipp is his memories. Then Lila had an idea. What if we use his memories to create other Zipps? It won't be the same, but his story will live in each one. And so the Zipp project was born, drones with heart, emotional memory, and inner light. They flew with children in hospitals, schools, and parks. Nico kept the first Zipp, though he no longer flew. Every night, he spoke to him with his hands, as if they were still chatting among the stars. The whole city changed. More children learned sign language. More adults listened with their eyes. More drones lit up the sky. What began as a simple, curious flight ended up becoming a silent revolution of love, empathy, and true connection. Moral: a sincere act of friendship can transform not just one life, but thousands, even in the quietest of places. See you very soon with more magical tales that will make your imagination fly and touch your heart in every adventure.